is your father?
He's going to the Albany.
All right, here at the Hyatt Regency Louisville, downtown, coming in. Got some closet space, drawers, closet space, some hanging, full-size mirror. Hey, got a nice lighted mirror. Color again. Sink. Cleansing bar, toilet, stand up shower with all the toiletries, shampoo, body wash, conditioner, nice shower head, hello to me again, some nice equestrian artwork, alarm clock. Let's see if we got some plenty of charging over here. Flip it on. Nope, no drawer space, but open space. Got a safe, a couple bottles of water. We are not elite, so we would have to pay that hefty $3 price tag. Some coffee, coffee maker. Ooh. Clear window fridge or cooler. Nice big TV. I think I saw it's got like Chromecast streaming. Sofa, writing desk so we can write postcards to our friends. Some lighting. Phone. Got a QR code there if you'd like to scan that. More charging. And then as far as our view, we're on the 5th floor. We do have a nice view of 4th and Live down there. Or 4th Street Live, I guess they call it. So tonight's our first night. We'll see how loud it gets and report back.